In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 reasons why I've decided to go all in with YouTube to grow my business. So if you're trying to build a business or you're thinking about how can I go about acquiring more customers online, YouTube might just be for you. So stick around to the end of this video so you know exactly why I've gone this route and how you might be able to benefit from it as well. Let's get into it. So I've tried making videos for YouTube in the past before. Now, what I really didn't understand was what YouTube was. I used to think of it as an ends instead of a means. What YouTube really is a means to an end. And what I mean by that is I used to think, well, I'm just going to go and make YouTube videos and that'll help me get a bunch of money. I can make it with my friends. It'll be a great time and that'll be a career. Some people do that, and I'm not saying that's wrong. But the real potential for growth and impact is when you have a business that you can couple with that. And this journey that I have been on and as a filmmaker and into a digital marketer has turned me into someone who has the ability to create systems for business owners that helps them acquire more customers online. And if you can help people get more customers online, think of the impact that has. Helps them grow their business, helps them hire more people. More people can be employed, they can feed their families. It's a huge, important thing. So it solves a major problem. So if you have a major problem that you can solve, all of a sudden you can tie that in and build a brand around that. And then it just becomes a lot more fun making videos and helping people all along those lines. So the 3 reasons I've decided to go all in on YouTube to grow my business are as follows. Reason number 1, I've decided to go all in with YouTube to grow my business. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, meaning that people go and they type in keywords and they're looking for answers. They have problems that they're trying to figure out. They're trying to discover new ways to do things. And if you have a way, if you have a method, if you have a solution to their problem, you can help them out tremendously. And my business helps people acquire more customers online. So the content that I make on this channel is now surrounding is business and marketing and all those fun things that helps people do just that and solve that problem. So when I make videos, what I'm doing is I'm targeting these certain keywords that will then allow me to get ranked for those questions that are being asked. And then, once people click on them, they are, in a sense, introduced into my world, if you will. They get to see my face, they get to know who I am, they get to know how I can help them, and how I can serve them. Reason number 2, the mechanism of video has a unique ability to build relationships with people. Now, it's a little bit different than if I were to know you one-on-one, face-to-face. But what it does is somebody can watch you for years and years and years, and if they constantly digest your content, they feel like they know you to a certain extent, even if you don't have a clue who they are. They grow to know you, they grow to like you, and they grow to trust you to the point that they'll buy from you, that they'll actually make decisions based on the advice that you've given, the way that you've helped them, and the way that you've served them. Video allows you to do that. It's a powerful tool of influence. And it's also not just for influence, but just for helping people in general. It's a powerful way to solve people's problems. What are your top 5 movies? Just think about those right now. You can go ahead and post in comments. What are your top 5 movies? Now I want to ask you, did you cry in any of those movies? And if you did, why? Dare I say, it's the connection that you made with a certain character, situation, etc. And that connection, that empathy that you have for that person can be felt through the power of video as you get to know someone. It's a powerful mechanism. It's a powerful tool, and you can really see people. You can see the way that they talk, they move their hands, and they speak, and you feel like you know them to a greater level, to a greater extent than you would if I just post pictures. If you just use single images. They say a picture's worth 1,000 words. Well, a video is just a bunch of frames, a bunch of still images combined together. So how many words is 24 frames per second times however many seconds of a video it is? It's got to be a lot of words. It's got to be worth a lot. So something for you to think about. That's reason number 2. And reason number 3, YouTube presents the opportunity to build a solid online brand. Because, like I mentioned before, those videos that you make, if you get them ranked in search, they're there. And they will constantly work for you to bring people into your world, come to know you. And the more you do that and the more you build up that authority, it becomes more like as the subscriber count goes up, or say, that increases your authority because it provides social proof as well. And both of those are powerful mechanisms for your brand to seem A, more established, and B, if you're like a consultant or you're just starting out or whatever, you'll have more authority, and that authority gives you more leverage, helps you establish your brand to a higher level, and gives you the freedom to charge what you believe you're worth, what you're actually worth, without that kind of imposter syndrome, or without that fear of, oh, I don't know if I really am this thing. And that's just a little bit of what YouTube does. It has that potential to build a long-term, powerful brand. So to recap, the reasons I've decided to go all in with YouTube to grow my business is because it's the second largest search engine in the world. Video has a powerful way of building relationships with people. And 3, it presents a huge opportunity to build a long-term brand. So that's why I'm doing it, and that's why I've taken up this challenge where I'm posting a new video every single day to this channel. So if you're wanting to learn how you can acquire more customers online, how you can build a business and a brand online, hit the subscribe button and the bell, because every single day I'm bringing something that will be of value to you so you can continue to go up and up and up, that you can get to every single next level, that you can build the business you want, you can have the freedom that you want, so that you can serve to that greater capacity that you know that you're called to. So, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Hey, by the way, if you're still here and you have a small business or a side hustle and you're trying to acquire more customers on the interwebs, I've got a tool that's perfect for you. It's a free marketing course called The Fundamentals of Online Marketing. It'll help you get started in the online marketing space. See, there's a lot of information. You can get overwhelmed and not really know what all you need to do to really start getting results. Well, now you can. And you can get them for free. You know, I'm not charging anything for this course. All you have to do is enroll. You'll have lifetime access. And you know what? You can start getting results right away if you implement this stuff. And like I said, it's free. So you can go in the description down below. It's called The Fundamentals of Online Marketing course. The link is fundamentalsofonlinemarketing.com/free course. So go enroll, check that out, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. All right, take care.